Hi and good morning everyone, and have a nice day ahead. Today we are from Group 21. We'll present about question 5. So first of all, we are going to present about the introduction. So the first point is the role institution courts of Malaysia. Court is an institution that the government sets up to settle dispute through legal process. So the second point is procedure performed by following the outline of the hierarchy and function of courts. Malaysia consists two types, which is superior court and subordinate courts. And the last point is the problem of sexual harassment in society, and this is more to the underage community. So we move to the next part.
Magistrate court, here the all civil matter which claim does not exceed 100,000. The court is present over the magistrate. Magistrate will divide into first class and second class magistrate. The former being legally qualified and having greater power. Second class magistrate as normally court for children, as known as a juvenile court, is here all cases includes the mirrors except the cases carrying of the death penalty. Each are here in the High Court instance. Cases for children are governed by Child Act in 2001. The child are defined and any person is below the age of 18. Session Court. The Session Court is the highest of the subordinate or inferior court. In criminal jurisdiction, extend to all offence other than offence punished with death. A session court will may pass any sentence allowed by a law other than the death sentence.
Superior Court in Malaysian. The Superior Court in Malaysian consists in two: Higher Court, which is Higher Court of Malaya, and the Higher Court in Sabah and Sarawak, the Court of Appeal, and the Federal Court. The Higher Court. The jurisdiction of the Higher Court is original, appellate, and supervisory. Its original jurisdiction, it has unlimited criminal and civil power. Any civil matter which cannot be determined in the subordinate court is heard before the High Court. The High Court has the jurisdiction to try all civil proceedings whether the cause of action arose within Malaysia or dependents resident or has his plan of business within Malaysia. The Court of Appeal. The Court of Appeal hear all civil appeal against decision of the High Court except where the against judgment or order made by consent. The Court of Appeal also hear criminal appeal against decision of the High Court. The High Court appeal also the jurisdiction to hear and determine civil appeal generally for the case where the amount of value of the subject matter of the claim. Okay, the last one is Federal Court. The Federal Court is the higher court in the Malaysian. The Federal Court has jurisdiction in the matter include hearing civil and criminal appeal from the Court of Appeal. It can hear disputes on any matter between on the state and the federal government. It also pronounces on the validity of any federal or state legislation as being in excess of power.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Faisal Asif bin Azhar. Okay, so for question B1, my answer is the court that Alex should be charged is the court for children. This is because Alex is 17 years old, which means Alex is still underage. The court for children is deal the criminal offenders under 18 years old. So this court also protect young offenders from publicity. In this court, they have two counselor who assist the judge. So the function for counselor is to advise the judge should take if the child is found guilty. Next, the presence of parents is mandatory. So the parents should be responsible for the child. This is because in Section 88 of the Children Act 2001 requires parents to attend court proceeding. If parents could not come to the court, they will be fined 15,000 ringgit and imprisoned
Okay,
in 2
Assalamualaikum
years.
warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Rafi'uddin bin Muhammad Rizal, and today I will be answer question number 5 for B. These questions ask about if they are Muslim, what will that decision are different. So my answer is yes. There will be a different if Sarah and Alex are Muslim. They will send to Syariah court. As we know, the role of Syariah court is to deal with civil and criminal case for Muslim. Furthermore, the Syariah court will follow the Syariah law. And as we know, the Syariah law is not law of human invitation, but the law that's come from Allah.
And the last but not least is the conclusion parts. So in this conclusion, we can conclude in Malaysia we have their own hierarchy and their own function in court system. And so the lastly is important of role and responsibility parties to fit the case, which consists of two parties, that the government and Malaysia courts. So that's all from me. Thank you.